Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how I apply my LipSense. I'm just taking this makeup wipe and making sure my lips are clean. I had lipstick on late last night, so you can kind of still see the stain of it a little bit, but that's what that is. So you put 3 layers on, and you have to let each layer dry in between, and then you put a gloss that is gonna seal the LipSense on at the end. And I love mixing colors, but today I'm just gonna do one. I'm going to be doing this salmon color. So fun. Okay. So again, one thin layer. I kind of looks like I'm doing more than one layer, more than one coat per layer, but I like to do kind of like the inner and the outer. So I'm not doing 2 coats. It's really just one swipe. All right, second. Just a wipe off the extra thin layer. Really dry. Okay. This is not necessary. I love it. Normally I fan my lettuce with paper. Okay, there's a little slot down here. So I like to use the tip of this thing, like the angled part, just to kind of go in and get like the almost like a lip liner, you know? Get that. Oops. Let's see here. All right, do that, like just the outside kind of lip liner area. But just 3 coats though. And then I'll put the gloss on. All right. I love this gloss. I put a lot on right after I put the lip color on because it's just sealing it. But I also keep a gloss with me, like everywhere I go. I take one. It's just hard to stop, you know? And then if there's any areas that don't look perfect, you can, that looks okay, but you can always take the remover. And there's like this tiny little spot right there. It's normally fine, but just to show you guys. And then I just use like my fingernail, kind of go around. Perfect.